Hello, chocolate lovers! Today, we're diving into the wonderfully simple world of chocolate fondue. It's an instant party starter and the perfect sweet treat for any occasion. This recipe is so easy, anyone can master it. Get ready to impress your taste buds and your guests with minimal effort. It's pure chocolate bliss in a pot! You'll need 8 ounces of your favorite chocolate chips. Milk or dark work beautifully. We'll also use half a cup of heavy cream. That's it for the base. For dipping, think fresh fruits like strawberries and bananas, marshmallows, or even pretzels. The possibilities are endless and deliciously fun for everyone. First, gently heat your heavy cream in a saucepan over low heat until it just begins to simmer. Be careful not to let it boil. This warmth is key for a silky smooth fondue. Next, remove the cream from the heat and add your chocolate chips. Let them sit undisturbed for about 5 minutes. This allows the residual heat to work its magic. Now, whisk everything together until it's smooth and glossy. If it seems too thick, add a tiny splash more cream. For a thinner fondue, a few more chocolate chips will do the trick. Pour your decadent fondue into a fondue pot, keeping it warm over a low flame or tea light. Gather your favorite dippers and let the fun begin. Chocolate fondue is fantastic for family nights, special celebrations, or just because you deserve a treat. It's an interactive dessert that brings smiles all around.